Hey guys, so we have that severe weather risk. I just made a video on it. If you have not seen it, make sure to go check it out on my channel or the Georgia Storm Trackers channel, because I am making this to be put on the Storm Chaser 575 channel. But if you are watching this on the Georgia Storm Trackers channel, make sure to check it out on the Storm Chaser 575 channel. Sorry if that doesn't make any sense. But we are on Radar Omega here, and we're going to check out some of these storms. We have some back near McRae. Some of these do look like they're trying to hook, and these are actually very new storms. And wow, one just got a special weather statement. So 40 to 50 mile per hour winds, up to penny-sized hail, and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. So I'm not surprised that we just got that special weather statement, as I actually was just looking at that storm. But we will have to watch these storms because they do definitely have that supercell look, and I think we will have to watch this one to maybe try and form a hook on us. But this one, I think, and then this one, I think, are the ones definitely to watch. And then some of these back here also could watch as well. But this one is kind of in between radars, so it's hard to see what's going on, but might have something right there trying to form. But we will definitely keep on watching that. But we do have a recently issued severe thunderstorm watch that does go on for another 6 hours and 40 minutes. So that will be going on until 9 o'clock. Sorry about that. But scattered large hail and isolated very large hail events to 2 inches in diameter possible. Scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles an hour possible, and a tornado or two are also possible. So let's keep looking at this storm. We're going to go up a couple of tilts and see how they are looking. So here we are. We're going to put this to tilt 3. So yeah, this one is definitely organized, that is for sure. But some of these are not as well organized. But some of these definitely are forming very quickly, as this one wasn't actually on the radar for about probably 20 minutes ago, and now it's already got a special weather statement, which I think will get severe warned in just a minute. Yeah, I just went up a tilt and velocity. I'm still not seeing much going on velocity-wise, but we will check out the differential reflectivity. And yeah, hard to see because of where the radar placement is. But let's go ahead. Okay, we are on the correct radar. Just wanted to make sure. But yeah, this storm back here still organizing, but this one really has its act together, and I think it's just going to continue doing that. But then we have some of these storms back here in Alabama that we will have to watch as well. Not seeing any rotation really on these. We'll have to watch this area right here. Might be trying to do something, but it's really early still, so not much. But we will definitely watch those. But this storm, I think, might have a chance to get severe, as it does kind of have that supercell shape for sure. Check back in on these storms. Not seeing much. Might need to watch this area, but it's really hard to tell because it's so far away from all of the correct radars. So yeah, I mean, it's 85 miles away from Dothan radar, and it's 75 miles away from the Warner Robins radar. So definitely gonna be hard to look in that storm for sure. But oh wow, this storm Yeah, the storm is definitely getting that hook shape. As you can see, got that big clear slot pushing in. So I mean, if you're in Poplar Hill, you're probably not getting much rain, if anything. But if you go just a little north, you might be getting some hail. So that's the thing. But yeah, this thing, it's definitely trying to rotate now, guys. So we will need to watch that one for sure. Let's go up another tilt and velocity. Not seeing much. Maybe just rotating a little bit on the surface there, and then we just got a severe thunderstorm warning actually here to the south of Cordele, Georgia. This is going to be for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. So yeah, first severe thunderstorm warning of the day down in the southeast. And let's take a look at these storms near Orangeburg, South Carolina. This does have a special weather statement for 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-inch hail. And we're gonna stay on this storm, I think, for the time. Alright guys, we did just get a new radar scan on this storm down near Alabama. Not seeing much rotation on it. But there is actually there is a camera. My bad. There's a camera down here near Cordele, so I might be able to pull that up a little later. And wow, here's a storm. Just found that right here near Perry, Georgia. Gonna have to watch this one and maybe try and get a hook right there. But nothing as of right now. But we really just need to watch these storms very closely. And yeah, this storm, trying to maybe get some hail in it. We will check it out from Charleston radar, and yeah, it's gonna be a bit farther away. But once again, we have a slight risk. So this, I believe, will be the main area of development. And then we just got a new special weather statement up here in South Carolina, and this expires in 1 hour, and this is for 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-inch hail. So with that, I think this is going to wrap up this video, and I will be back on here a little later, and especially if we get any tornado warnings or anything like that. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, everybody. Have a good one.